Welcome to a bold new era in medical education at BGS Medical College Hospital, where innovation meets inspiration. Our lecture theatre are where knowledge unlocks the doors to a brighter future of healthcare. With 280 seats designed for comfort, every corner is built to elevate the learning experience. 3 massive interactive teaching digital display delivering vibrant visuals. Feel the power of precision audio crafted for crystal clear sound that resonates deeply. Dynamic lighting, silent climate control, seamless technology, everything working in harmony to keep our students' minds sharp and focused. From advanced audiovisual aids to intuitive interactive digital tools, more than walls and screens, this theatre breathes innovation. Here, learning isn't just seen or heard, it's experienced, lived, and brought to life. This is where tomorrow's doctors are made in a space designed to match their ambition. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to His Holiness Shri Dr. Nirmalanandanatha Mahaswamiji for his visionary leadership, unwavering guidance, and generous support in making this world-class lecture theatre a reality. His foresight continues to inspire our pursuit of excellence in medical education. Step into this new chapter in excellence. Welcome to the future of learning at BGS Medical College and Hospital.